Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun winter read aloud with you of the story Construction Site on Christmas Night. The story Construction Site on Christmas Night was written in 2018 by Sherri Duskey Rinker and was illustrated by A.G. Ford, and it tells the story of what different vehicles do on at the construction site on Christmas night. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Construction site on Christmas night. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year. The team is slamming into gear. So on the construction site, there's one more big project to do for Christmas night, and everyone is putting themselves into gear. So much is riding on the crew. They have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. So you guys catch what they're building? It's a house and it has to be great. And everyone is going full tilt, which means full blast, and they know that they're going to get it done. I wonder what kind of special house it's going to be. Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has lots of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day, roar! He pushes hard to clear the way. For hours he powers this way and that, and clears the site in no time flat. So first is the bulldozer, and he's got a lot to do. He has to clear the ground, and he goes full blast, and he clears everything. Way to go, bulldozer. Did I miss a page? No. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift. With cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade, custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, bulldozer. Good night. So the bulldozer was getting ready to clock out and go home, and in his way there's a big present, and it's a new blade for the front of his plow. And then he goes to sleep with his new plow. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere. Scooping, chugging at full blast. He digs up the foundation fast. Clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows. A snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time. So the excavator is digging up, and he's scooping and going full blast and stacking his dirt that he digs up. And it starts to snow right when it's time for him to go at 9 o'clock. As excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone's left a big surprise. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's signed simply, "From our crew." Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one has a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, excavator. Good night. So just like the bulldozer, when the excavator's getting ready to turn in for the end of his day, he finds a present. It's a brand new scoop, and he's happy because his old one has a broken tooth. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. He lays the foundation, walls, and floor. And then he churns another load that will be used to make a road. He twirls, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. So the cement mixer is making the majority of the building and then making another load so he can make a road. He rolls away to take a bath, but something's sitting in his path. A giant box, his name's on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. Screech! No card, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left a brand new drum? His drum is old, beat up, and plain, but this one looks like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer. Good night. So just like his buddies before him, he's getting ready to go home, and there's a big box in his way. And it turns out to be a new drum that looks like a candy cane. Good night, mixer. An icy wind blows in his face, but dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. So dump truck's picking up all the trash and getting ready to go dump it, but his back is sore and his tires hurt. He turns to go, but stops in awe. The biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires. Vroom, vroom. It's a fresh new set of tires. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. He tucks the old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck. Good night. So just like his friends before, a big box is in his way on his way home. And this one has a brand new set of tires. But before he puts them on, he puts the old ones in his back, cleaning up after himself. With whipping winds and loads that sway, whoosh, Crane Truck's job is tough today. But he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane Truck's work is done at last. The crane truck is lifting stuff up high, putting it on the top of the building. And it's hard because it's windy. But now his job is done for the day. Can you guess what's going to be in his way? The job's all finished. One last stop. Crane truck puts a star on top. But Crane has one last special lift. Someone's left a special gift. A rock'em sock'em wrecking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane Truck. Good night. So Crane Truck's last job was to put a star on top. And when he's getting ready to go, he finds a brand new wrecking ball. Engines rev and bells ring out. Cling, cling. Sirens blare and air horns shout. Roo, honk. Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive. Driving proudly, looking fine. Pumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew. So they hear a bunch of horns and engines. You can see it's a brand new fire crew. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignitions, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. So all of the other vehicles on the construction site were working on building a new home for the fire engines. And now all the fire engines are tucked in bed. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play, for all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh, all the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. The end. Everyone's tucked soundly in bed and waiting for Christmas. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story Construction Site on Christmas Night. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I'd like to say a big thank you to my friend Miss Sabrina for loaning me so many wonderful winter books. And I hope you're all having a wonderful December, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.